Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May. Minta, if you don't know, now you know. If you want to go from this to this, please keep watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so whenever I post a video, you will know. The first thing I take is the Radiance Booster SPF 30 by Simple. It's called Protect and Glow. I usually take 2 to 3 drops and just spread it all over my face. Then I go in with the FiXX Revolution Moisturizing Primer. I have normal to dry skin, so I do prefer to prep my face with very moisturizing and glowing products. And that's exactly what I'm doing now. Today I'm using the Makeup Revolution Duo Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. I haven't done my brows in a very long time, so they look really horrible. I just basically draw a line underneath and then I go upwards to connect that and then just brush up my hair with the spoolie. And later on, I just clean up my brows with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut. The foundation I'm using today is the FiXX Revolution Glow Skin Faux Foundation in the shade FX16. What I usually just do is just take 2 pumps on each side of my face and then blend it out with a brush and afterwards with a damp beauty blender. I love this foundation. It just gives me that glow, especially in the winter because my skin is really dry. Then I love a glowy foundation and I just look very dewy. Not oily, guys, but dewy. The concealer I'm using today is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Supersize in the shade C13. I'm just applying that underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and around my mouth. I do not highlight my forehead anymore or my chin because I feel like it doesn't really make a difference on my face and it's just unnecessary for me. It depends on your face. If you feel like you want to highlight your forehead, you can do that, but just for me, that's a no. So I will blend this out and then I'll go back with that concealer again, but with a combination of the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Tan, I believe, because it's more full coverage and I just prefer that combination on top of the concealer that I've placed now, basically. So that's just what you're gonna see, me blending out my foundation. No, I mean concealer, guys. Anyways, let me stop talking. So the setting powder I'm using today is the Sasha Buttercup powder. Like I said, I have normal to dry skin, so I do not bake. Baking on me looks weird. Sometimes it works out, but most of the time it doesn't. So I usually just put the powder on a brush and just pat it into my skin. It works perfectly fine for me, and actually you do not need a lot of powder to set your face unless you're like a very oily person, which I completely understand. What I'm also going to do is just reverse contour with my brush as well. It looks like a ghetto, but it works for me. If you want more of a precise reverse contour, I would advise you to use a beauty blender, but that's completely up to you, okay guys? So please forgive me for the ghetto-ness. So to bronze up my face, I'm using the Revolution Pro bronzer in the shade Enrobe. Guys, it's just magical, this bronzer. It just gives me the look that I always desire. So I usually just bronze before I contour. It's just more my thing. Most people contour first, but I like to bronze up first. I usually just put it on the same places where I would contour. I also put it on my nose because I feel like my nose just looks much cuter. So then I'm taking the Makeup Revolution X Patricia Bright contour palette in the shade Dusk Till Dawn to contour my nose and basically to contour my face. I'm also using the blush in here. So when I'm applying blush, it's this shade from this palette. So I'm using the Fix and Glow Fixing Spray from Makeup Revolution. It does not really have shimmer particles, guys, so don't worry. That's my base done, lashes on. And what I'm going to do, as usual, after I do my fixing spray, after I spray my fixing spray, I apply a highlighter on the bridge of my nose. Sometimes I do apply highlighter on my cheekbones, but that's usually when I go out at night. During the day, I'm so over it with having like glitter on my cheekbones. Then I'm going in with a brown lip liner from the beauty supply store. It's just £1. And then I'm using a liquid lipstick from Too Faced in a pink shade. However, I believe that lipstick is discontinued. I'll look for it and put the link in the description box if it's still there. And then I'm using a beautiful lip gloss from Girlfriends by M. It's really, really lip glossy, and that's what I love because my lips look really luscious after that. So that's my base done. So I'm just going to quickly show you guys what I do to my hair. This hair is from Shuga.touch hair. It's a 24-inch water wave wig with a 4x4 closure. I've already used a hot comb and some glue to like stick it down to my head. So I'm using some water to spray that. There is some conditioner in that water bottle, and I'm also using a mousse. So basically that's all what I do for my hair. Like I'm very lazy when it comes to my hair. So guys, this is key. If you're lazy, just follow my steps, okay? And that's basically it. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.